Hey guys, I am Avik and you are watching my channel Tech Avik. Today I am going to share some specifications about the Samsung Galaxy M51. The Samsung Galaxy M51 runs on Android 10 operating system and is powered by octa-core Snapdragon 730G chipset processor. The phone has a 6 GB RAM and 8 GB RAM with 128 GB of internal storage. The phone supports micro SD card. The M51 has a 6.7-inch Super AMOLED display which is large and comfortable for reading, surfing net and playing games. The phone has a 7000 mAh battery. The M51 has a fingerprint sensor. The phone supports 4G connectivity which gives good internet speed and fast downloading. The M51 has a 5.0 Bluetooth version. M51 comes in two colors, black and electric blue. The M51 has 5 cameras, 32 MP front angle camera, 64 MP wide angle camera, 12 MP ultra wide camera, 5 MP macro camera and 5 MP depth camera. The camera captures good photo in low light plus in bright light. It has the capacity to take a 4K video recording which gives good clarity. The M51 supports 25Hz wireless charging which makes the phone 50% in just 30 minutes. The expected cost of the M51 is 22,999 rupees for the 6 GB variant and 24,999 rupees for the 8 GB variant. If you liked my video, please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. I'll bring more videos like this. Signing out, Avik Sarkar.